सर आपण को यूट्यूब चैनल सूर्यवंश को स्वागत। आपण जो आसचंती आज तहसील कार्यालय को दाबी नहीं जो हरिजन लोक मानकर विषय रे आपण मतामत रखिए।
Dear sir, a very good evening. With a respectful obeisance to the YouTube channel, as well your news publication house Surjavansh, I do pay highest regard and respect. I am Professor Nilamatha Bera, International Patron Chief Rural Environmental Education Technology International Governance Cell. This is the non-governmental organization registered under Indian Society Registration Act. It is having its headquarters at Malkanagiri in the district headquarters. I am also International Patron Chief Asiatic Vigilance Communication Bureau. Like Government of India is having National Investigation Agency, and I am popularizing that is Press Council of India guideline, Press Trust of India guideline, and press laws across the Asia Pacific zone including India. But I am very much thankful that the constitutional right you are protecting, being a photo or the digital journalist. Yeah, today I have been to Tahsil office Chhatrapur in relation to the various problems of the scheduled caste people, those who have lost their land for monazite processing plant, land acquisition for beach sand mineral by Odisha Sand Complex Indian Rare Earth Ltd, Matikal. So when we have come to hear that the Government of India Department of Revenue codified the statutory revenue laws, and the Ministry of Rural Development Department has framed the law right to fair compensation, transparency in land acquisition, Rehabilitation Resettlement Act. And we do see that several thousand acres of land of Bahumukhi Shramika Kalyana Samiti, registered body at Humber, had given the lease to the Odisha Sand Complex and IRE Ltd for processing of monazite beach sand minerals for manufacturing of monazite. And incidentally, 10 families belong to scheduled caste community of Humber village. They are having record of rights land. Every family is having 1 acre of land. That is a cashew nut land. It is located at Mauja Humuribana, Revenue Circle Podapadara, Tahsil Chhatrapur, Subdivision Chhatrapur, District Ganjam, and settlement at office Barampur. But Your Excellency, as per the statutory guideline of the Act and rules, the Tahsildar, the then Mr. Nilamadhava Bhoi OS had taken gratification from the requiring body Messrs. IRE Ltd, and for each cashew nut jungle, for a cashew nut plant, there has been fixed the statutory rate rupees 9,500. He is saying, but there is a tender agreement, there is a memorandum of understanding with land losers with Messrs. IRE 15,500. So when that every family is having more than 250 cashew nut alive trees which is laden with fruits, and it can generate that 5 lakhs rupees per year, but it has not been computed, and the fake report has been given by the Deputy Director of Horticulture Berhampur and District Agriculture Officer Ganjam at Chhatrapur. And what I am saying is that the computation has not been taken. From jungle land it has been turned into industrial land. So the per acre, that conversion of Section 8A Land Reforms Act 1960, in that regard the land has not given value. So each acre of land now it is costing rupees 30 lakhs. These scheduled caste people are claiming. Another major thing that they belong to scheduled caste community, they have not awarded the compensation, they have not conducted the environmental impact assessment, they have not conducted the social impact assessment. The collector then Mr. V. Karthikeyan Pandian IS and the following him the then collector Mr. Vijay Amritraj Kulange IS, they have forgotten to render the comprehensive service to the land losers. But people do say they have taken gratification of billions of rupees in this transaction with for 2,500 acres of land, and which has been amalgamated with the landed property of the IRE for 5 years lease. But now, due to excavation, dredging, and uplifting the sand and mining of the sand, the quality of soil has been completely deteriorated, and it cannot be fit for the again horticultural land. So they do claim, the land loser of Seduka, they do claim for each acre rupees 30 lakhs. And Mr. Nilamadhav Bhoi OS, the then Tahsildar, had taken billions of rupees as a gratification from the requiring body of IRE. So this matter is to be investigated. And another thing is that, so according to Administrative Reform Commission, Government of India, that the collector should present on duty. If he is on tour, he should display in the signboard where he is, and his phone number he should have been given. But it doesn't happen. Public do not know where is the collector, where is the additional district magistrate revenue, where is the additional district magistrate general, where is the sub collector, where is the tahsildar, where is the additional tahsildar. People do not know. And but here the Honorable Chief Minister advocating good governance is present at a revenue inspector level. No, for any transaction for a government duty, the revenue inspectors do ask gratification, and they are allowing the land encroachment. They are making false report for this mutation, and they are asking for gratification. They are saying they are giving the money to the Tahsildar, Tahsildar is saying giving money to collector, collector is saying to the RDC. So this is what happening. Is it a good governance? Is it good governance? I am an Indian citizen. I am an Indian citizen. It is my international human right codified in Universal Declaration of Human Rights 1948, 10th December, and it is my constitutional right to speak truth, and I am having fundamental duty. All the government servants should comply the provisions of administrative code and professional conduct. So dear sir, I am saying this news item should be published, and people should be aware of that all the, and we have been imparting training to the IAS officer in Missouri and Dehradun. Be transparent. Do learn the statutory provisions of law and regulation. Similarly, in the Indian Police Academy at Hyderabad, I am imparting training to all the new recruit IPS officer to follow the 1861 Police Act and manual of the police manual, and also comprehensive of that administrative law. But dear sir, it is very pathetic. Tahsildar goes accordingly and he comes accordingly, but people do not know. People do wait. Senior citizens, women citizens, person with disability, day long, night long wait, but could not be ascertained. And the file processing is not transparent. So Mr. Mohan Charan Maji is communicated here. Do visit this collectorate at Ganjam and evaluate your good governance in 44 departments and 109 acts and 109 rules and amendment Government of India and a statutory verdict of Supreme Court of India regarding good governance. Thank you. Again, before conclude, I do say that the land loser families, including Sahib Das of Humbara, he is claiming rupees 30 lakh for the land which had given for lease for processing for monazite mineral processing for IRE. So thank you very much, dear sir. You will listen and do publish it for greater interest of public. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपको.